Hey guys, what's up? My name is Tom Spark and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing a custom made cable from this website called Arlyn cables. Now, just full disclosure here, the guy who made this website is actually an old friend of mine. I used to play video games with him way back in the day. We don't really talk that much anymore, but he saw that I had a YouTube channel and he makes some pretty cool products. So he sent me one for free to kind of promote his website and to just kind of show you what kind of products he makes. Now, I didn't really think that I really needed a cable like this because I just used like original cable with my keyboard. I do have a pretty cool mechanical keyboard that was like around $120. So I thought maybe people do have a need for something like this. If you spend $120 on a keyboard to make it look cool and stuff like that, why not spend a little bit extra on a cord to make it look just as cool, or if not cooler, and have a really cool custom design that matches your keyboard. I think there's a pretty big market for this, especially in the keyboard community. So what do I actually think of the cable itself? Well, I think these cables are actually pretty well made. From talking to him a little bit, he says that other cables that are made by people aren't really always kind of coiled properly, and they either lose shape and just look kind of sloppy. I haven't really found that to be the case with mine. It looks pretty good. The coils seem pretty strong, and the overall construction of it feels very solid. Now, in my specific color combination, I tried to pick a kind of a unique color combination that would match my keyboard. I have like a green kind of cord, and then I have white accents, and then an overall orange accent to match some of the keys on my keyboard, and I thought overall it came out really good. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, as someone who's not super familiar with this stuff, the website was a little bit confusing in order to build my custom cable. That's because you could customize so many elements. So overall, the basic kind of cable is around $30, and it goes up to around $60 if you customize every element. Now, you have to choose different things like text flex, the length, the heat shrink, and stuff like that. Basically, the way it works is that the thing has different components. So the paracord itself is the actual cord of the kind of cable, and this is kind of where you can get kind of cool customizations like frostbite. For mine, I actually really like this zombie one, or zom, whatever, that's cool. Some of these are more noticeable if you get a different color of what is called the touch flex. I think on mine I actually just got charcoal gray, and then I got a tech flex of green, so you can't really see it too much through it. But let's say you got a brighter color and you maybe got something like white or maybe clear. Clear would definitely give you a better view of the paracord itself, so it would be really cool to see what would clear look like with something like this zom. That would be pretty crazy. Or maybe even a pink color here. You could customize the heat shrink like I said. I think my heat shrink is white, but you know, that's not even the full customization extent. You also have stuff like the coil. You could customize the length, the detachable component. I think mine is orange, and you can even customize the length as well to make it really long, like even 12 feet. So that's pretty cool, very customizable, and you can pretty much get it any way you want to really make it stand out. He also has some group buys going up sometimes. I don't think he has one going on right now, but you can get them kind of for a cheaper price perhaps, and just kind of a default kind of configuration. Anyways guys, thanks for checking out this video. Link will be down in the description down below for my friend's website, and I'll see you again on the next video very soon.